Hi, today I have another one of those fun card kits. It's from Hunky Dory and it's called Push-Up Posies. So let's open the package and make one of these interesting cards. These are all the design you get in this package. And I think we need 2 of these die cut sheets for each card. So let me choose my design and I'll be back. Sorry, I just realized I show you the back side of the paper. With these cards you will see both sides, but the front side is like foiled design, so they definitely look nicer. So I wanted to show you. And I will go with this purple design here. Okay, we need 2 of these die cut sheets, and it says fold along all of the score lines of your chosen posie. Okay, the bouquet should fold into valley fold and the base a mountain fold as shown. All right, let me bring this out. All right, and I like to get rid of this, so I usually use a sanding block or a nail file to remove these. The end result would look much professional and nicer by doing this detail. Okay, as you can see, you get a lot of embellishment to embellish your card. The colors are too close together. Probably what I'm going to do next time would be using the embellishment, especially the butterflies, from the other sheets. This way I can get more contrast, and to step it up I will use my own stamps and dies to embellish it more, like using my own butterfly dies and things like that. And even, as you can see, you get this beautiful bow to embellish your card. What I will do is using a ribbon, satin ribbon, to wrap around the vase and use my ribbon bow to embellish it. I think with this tiny detail the card look more professional and nicer, even though the embellishment and colors in this kit are really nice. And it's really good if you don't have time to put a card together, which I most likely do most of the times, but I like to have these kits on hand for the time I'm in rush. I forgot to make a card, so I need to put something together really quickly, so I can use these card kits. So let me embellish it a little bit more with the things we have here, and see you at the end. Okay, I didn't want to use anything outside this card kit for this review tutorial, but I couldn't help myself, so I've used a few gemstones to embellish the flowers. Oh, that's our finished card. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out, you.